Forget needing a huge team or costly software. Modern AI tools can genuinely handle the bulk of the work required to run your entire YouTube channel. I'm about to walk you through the absolute best AI automation tools available, show you exactly how top creators are implementing them, and reveal how you can produce engaging, monetizable content without ever showing your face. Contrary to some fears, effective AI is not actually about stealing existing content. It is about intelligent augmentation of your creative process. The most immediate benefit you'll notice is a dramatic reduction in the time you spend on tedious, repetitive production tasks that slow you down. By offloading the heavy lifting, maintaining a consistent upload schedule becomes significantly more manageable for even the busiest solo creators. This technology dramatically accelerates your ability to generate unique, high-quality creative material at an unprecedented speed for your channel. Ultimately, the crucial factor here isn't just utilizing the AI, but rather the specific strategic way you choose to implement it into your everyday workflow. This innovative approach allows you to focus your limited human energy where it matters most, specifically on high-level strategy and creative vision for your brand. Think of it as having a dedicated, tireless digital assistant who handles the initial heavy lifting across all your content needs 24/7. The power truly lies in your ability to guide the artificial intelligence toward achieving your specific creative and business objectives with precision. The very foundational first step in any successful YouTube automation process begins with diligently crafting compelling and well-structured video scripts for every single video. For this essential stage, powerful large language models like ChatGPT serve as an incredibly versatile starting point for creators looking to scale rapidly. You can effectively command the AI to perform deep dives into niche topics, instantly surfacing trending ideas for your next successful video upload. It excels at taking raw information and assembling it into a logical, easy-to-follow narrative structure that keeps the audience engaged from start to finish. Furthermore, these tools are excellent at taking highly complex or technical subjects and simplifying them into understandable language for a broad general audience. However, a massive red flag here is simply copying and pasting the raw output. That approach will never work long-term for channel monetization. The proper method involves diligently rewriting the structure in your unique voice, personalizing the examples, and substantially adding your own expert value. Your initial workflow should always start by asking the AI to generate a comprehensive, detailed script outline based on your core video concept. Next, take that generated framework and meticulously rewrite the key sections, infusing them with your personal style and unique creative perspective. Crucially, you must then manually inject specific, relatable examples or detailed explanations that only a human expert would typically know or provide. Following this specific sequence ensures that your final video content remains 100% original and uniquely yours, satisfying all platform guidelines effortlessly. This hybrid approach leverages machine speed while guaranteeing human-level authenticity in the final narrative delivery to your audience. Treat the AI as your tireless research assistant who simply presents the foundational building blocks for the creative masterpiece you are about to construct. The final product should always distinctly reflect your unique personality, never the generic, bland output of an unguided bot. You can completely eliminate the need for purchasing expensive microphones or setting up a dedicated recording space thanks to new vocal technology advancements. Modern AI voice generation tools are now capable of reading your finalized scripts with surprising naturalness and excellent emotional cadence for your viewers. This capability single-handedly saves you many hours that would otherwise be spent on frustrating setup, endless recording takes, and detailed audio editing. An incredible bonus is that many of these cutting-edge platforms support effortlessly translating and reading your content in numerous different languages for global reach. One important tip is to always audition and choose voices that sound genuinely human rather than overly synthesized or unnervingly monotone for your project. Take the time to fine-tune the generated output by subtly adjusting the reading speed and the emotional tone to perfectly match your video's overall mood. You must actively monitor the output to avoid that telltale, overly uniform, and robotic pacing that instantly signals synthetic audio to the attentive viewer. Your final voiceover absolutely must maintain an informative and highly educational tone, Avoid anything that sounds remotely like spam or low-effort promotion. This technology opens up narration opportunities for anyone uncomfortable speaking directly to a camera or a studio microphone setup. The goal is seamless auditory delivery that keeps the audience fully engaged with the valuable information, not distracted by obvious artificiality in the sound. Experiment with different accents and pitches until you find the perfect sonic branding that resonates well for your automated content series. Good synthetic audio blends naturally into the background while effectively delivering clear, professional narration that supports the visual narrative. Always listen back critically yourself, focusing solely on how the voice conveys the true meaning and emotional intent of your meticulously written script. Mastering the subtle nuances of synthetic voice settings is the true key to unlocking consistently high production value in your automated videos. For so many aspiring creators, the complex and time-consuming video editing phase is unfortunately where they tend to stop before ever seeing any real success. Tools like CapCut, along with dedicated AI editors, feature smart functions that automatically detect and completely cut out any dead air or awkward pauses in your recording automatically. These modern editors can also instantly generate highly accurate, synchronized captions or subtitles for virtually every single spoken word in your entire video timeline. Some advanced platforms even suggest and automatically insert relevant B-roll or stock footage clips based on the direct context of your current narration audio. Your best practice here should always involve prioritizing simple, fast, and effective jump cuts over overly complicated, slow transitions that can lose viewer interest. Ensure the visuals you select are always crystal clear and directly support the key information being delivered in the voiceover at that precise moment in time. Resist the urge to over-edit with excessive graphics, distracting flashing text, or non-essential visual noise that actively pulls the viewer's attention away from your message. Always remember the core editing mantra: absolute clarity in your message will always trump flashy special effects every single time, especially on YouTube. Speeding up the tedious, repetitive parts of the editing process allows you to focus your valuable creative energy entirely on the story structure itself. Automated caption generation is also a huge accessibility win, catering perfectly to the large segment of viewers who inevitably watch your content with the sound turned completely off. Test different editing paces and rhythms to see precisely what keeps your specific target audience most hooked on the narrative flow throughout the entire runtime. A clean, well-organized timeline reflecting a clear structural plan is far more professional than a cluttered one filled with unnecessary visual noise and clutter. Leveraging these powerful AI assists drastically lowers the technical barrier to entry for achieving high-quality, professional video production standards. Review every single automated cut and placement to ensure it perfectly maintains the intended rhythm and flow that you established within your original script draft. Ultimately, the thumbnail image is the single most important decision point, as it directly determines whether a potential viewer clicks on your video or scrolls right past it completely. Design platforms like Canva, especially when integrated with new AI image generation features, are perfect for rapidly creating professional-looking initial concepts for testing. Your primary goal should always be to create an exceptionally clean thumbnail composition that clearly communicates the video's main topic at a single glance to anyone scrolling quickly. Employ large, highly legible text, aiming for no more than 2 to 4 impactful words that immediately grab attention and state the main benefit. Focus the entire visual around highlighting only one single powerful and compelling core idea related to the content that lies within the video itself. You must strictly avoid the common pitfall of overloading the design with excessive text or complex graphical elements that make the image look confusing at first glance. Never resort to using tired clickbait tropes like unrealistic screenshots of massive bank balances or wildly exaggerated earning claims, as these instantly destroy viewer trust. Your final thumbnail must always project an image of absolute authenticity and unwavering trustworthiness to successfully build a lasting, profitable relationship with your audience base. Test multiple thumbnail variations against each other constantly to see which one yields the highest click-through rate from your highly specific target demographic group. Please understand that AI is not designed to replace the successful creator. Its actual purpose is to powerfully empower you to achieve significantly more with less effort. In my very next video, I am going to reveal several highly successful faceless YouTube channels that are currently generating significant recurring income using these exact automation methods. If you found this overview valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful automation strategies, and then comment the word AI below if you want me to personally send you the links to all the best tools we discussed today.